The index match formula is the combination of two functions in Excel, index and match. Index returns the value of a cell in a table based on the column and row number. Match returns the position of a cell in a row or column. Combined, these two formulas can look up and return the value of a cell in a table based on vertical and horizontal criteria. For short, this is referred to as just the index match function. The syntax for index in array form is index, array row number, column number, with the first two arguments required and the third optional. To find the value in the cell range H8 through H16, you would enter this formula. As usual, start with the equal sign. Type index, press tab button. Select the range, as in our data we need to get the total sales of papaya whose order number is 10020. So we select the range H8, H16, then enter the row number that is 6 mentioned in cell K7. Press enter, we got the result. The syntax for match is match, value, array, match type, with the first two arguments required and the third optional. Match looks up a value and returns its position. To find the value in cell K7 in the range D8 through D16, you would enter the following formula. As usual, start with the equal sign. Type match, press tab button, select the cell K7. Then we select the range D8, D16. Press enter. The result is 4 because the value in cell G2 is in the 4th position in our cell range. Now that you know what each function does and its syntax, it's time to put this dynamic duo to work. Now we'll use the same data as we use for index and match individually. We'll place the formula for the match function inside the formula of the index function in place of the position to look up. To find the value, total sales, based on the order number, we will use this formula. Begin it with the equal sign, right index, press tab, select the range of total sales from cell H8 to H16. Comma, here we start the match formula. As you know, it's the combination of two functions, index and match. So, type match, press tab, select the order number, which is in cell K7, comma, then select the range of order number from cell D8 to D16. Close the brackets and press enter. The result is 640. Match finds the value in cell K7 within the range D8 through D16 and provides that to index, which looks to cells H8 through H16 for the result.